happened today? You must be wondering why ma'am is breathing so heavily. Today, when I was coming here, I have to cross a big jungle. While I was crossing the jungle, I was reciting a rhyme. Which rhyme? I will tell you which rhyme. I was reciting, walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step forward. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step backward. And suddenly a lion came in front of me. I was so scared. I was thinking why this lion is coming towards me. He said, "Hello ma'am, you don't be scared. I saw your video. It was so good. And I loved learning the phonic rhyme with you. Today, my friend Monkey, he wants to come along." So children, here I have Mr. Monkey with me. Say hi to Mr. Monkey. Hi Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey, we will continue with our class. Meanwhile, you go and sit quietly. So children, this is your Kanchana ma'am. Let's start our class from the letter N. Shall we start? Yes? Very good. So, what is this? This is letter N. Nut in the nutshell, na na na. Nut in the nutshell, na na na. Nut in the nutshell, na na na. Na is the sound of N. What is the sound of N, children? Na. Very good. Now the next letter is O. Yes. Old orange octopus, old orange octopus, old orange octopus, is the sound of O. Next is what? Letter P. Have you seen popcorns popping? Yes. Very good. Popcorns are popping, pop, pop, pop. Popcorns are popping, pop, pop, pop. Popcorns are popping, pop, pop, pop. Pa is the sound of P. Next comes Q, and she is coming with a queen. Q says qua. Queen waiting quietly, quack, quack, quack. Queen waiting quietly, quack, quack, quack. Queen waiting quietly, quack, quack, quack. Qua is the sound of Q. Next comes what? What is this? It is letter R. R says Ra. And what we will sing with R? Rats are running, ra, ra, ra. Rats are running, ra, ra, ra. Rats are running, ra, ra, ra. Ra is the sound of R. Next comes S. Sausages are sizzling, sa, sa, sa. Sausages are sizzling, sa, sa, sa. Sausages are sizzling, sa, sa, sa. Sa is the sound of S. Next is T. T says ta. And you know what? T will come with a tiger. What the tiger will do? It will tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Yes, just like that. Silently he will walk. So, tigers on tiptoe, ta, ta, ta. Tigers on tiptoe, ta, ta, ta. Tigers on tiptoe, ta, ta, ta. Ta is the sound of T. Next is U. Up goes umbrella, up goes umbrella, up goes umbrella, is the sound of U. Up goes the umbrella. Yes. What is this, children? This is letter V. What sound V makes? V says V. Yes. And what we are going to recite with the letter V? Violent volcanoes. Have you seen volcanoes? Yes. It's very scary, right, children? Yes. Violent volcano. Va va va. Violent volcano, va va va. Violent volcano, va va va. Va is the sound of V. Next is W. What sound W makes? W says va, va. Yes, wiggle waggle walrus, va va va. Wiggle waggle walrus, va va va. Wiggle waggle walrus, va va va. Va is the sound of W. Next is X. What sound X makes? It says X, X. Yes, fox in the box. Yes, fox in the box. That is the sound which is made by letter X. Very good. Fox in the box. Next comes letter Y. What sound Y makes? Y says yeah. Yes. Children, do you know what is yawning? Can you all yawn and show me? I will show you. Yes, like that. So, yaks are yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yaks are yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yaks are yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah is the sound of Y. Next is the last one. Yes. Z. Children, Z says Z, Z. Zigzag zebra, Z, Z, Z. Zigzag zebra, Z, Z, Z. Zigzag zebra, Z, Z, Z. Z is the sound of Z. Very good, children. So, now you know the sound of letters A to Z, right? So, small letters A, B, C also makes the same sound. A says yes, B says very good, C says very good, children, and X, Y, Z. All the small letters also make the same sound as the capital letters do. So children, with the help of the phonic sound, you can read books as well. Yes, I have a book with me. It says Phonics Alphabets. Yes, shall we read this book? Okay, let's read the book. In this book, this is Annie and this is alligator. Annie has an alligator in her attic. Yes. Ben has a buffalo in his bed. See the picture. Ben has a buffalo in his bed. Next is Cammy has a camel in her car. Cammy has a camel in her car. How funny, isn't it? Yes. Dan has a dinosaur on his desk. Very good. Like that, you can read books as well. So children, your 4-line notebook looks like this, right? 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. Correct? Yes. 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. capital letter we should write in 3 lines as I told you earlier. 1, 2, 3. Like this we have to write the capital letter. A, B, C, and so on. You should not cross 1, 2, 3, the third line. Your letter should not cross the third line, and here it should not go above the red line. Okay, so children, I hope you have practiced writing letters on the 4-line notebook till M. Have you practiced? Very good, children. Same like capital A, B, C, how we are writing in 3 lines, small letters also we should write within the 3 lines. I will show you how. A, B, C, D, E, F. But children, how we are going to write letter G? Yes, when we are writing the letter G, it will touch the bottom red line. Okay, I will show you how to write letter G. So, when we are writing letter G, it's touching the bottom red line. Same way, you can write the letter J, P, Y, Q. Very good, children. So, you have to write letter A to Z, capital A to Z, small on your 4-line notebooks. Can you all do that? Yes? Very good, children. I hope you had fun learning the phonic rhyme, learning A, B, C, D, and so on. Hey kids, what happened to the sun? Where is the sun? Oh, it's hiding behind the clouds. Let's sing a song and welcome the sun to play with us. Are you ready? Yes? Then let's sing it together. Okay? Okay. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you, please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. La 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 la, la 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 la. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun. Children, see, Mr. Sun is here. Yes, we sang a song to welcome him, right? He came to play with us and to learn with us. Yes. So what we are going to learn today? Can you guess? No? Okay, I'll tell you one story, okay? Then you tell me what we are going to learn today. So children, are you ready for a story? Yes? Okay, in a village there used to live 26 siblings, 26 brothers and sisters. Yes, among them 5 were very naughty. So they went to stay with their grandparents. Who were they? You want to know? I'll tell you. A, E, I, O, U. They all went to stay with their grandparents and they were called as vowels. they used to sing a song together and have lots of fun together. You want to sing that song? Yes? Let's sing it together. Vowels of the alphabet, I know them by the name. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them by the name. One more time. Yes. Vowels of the alphabet, I know them by the name. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them by the name. Did you like the song? Yes? You can also sing it at home. What is the song? One more time. Vowels of the alphabet, I know them by the name. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them by the name. So children, did you enjoy the rhyme? Vowel rhyme. Did you enjoy? Yes. So what are the 5 vowels? We have A, E, I, O, U. So we have 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. But why they are called troublemakers? They are called troublemakers because they have 2 sounds. One long sound and one short sound. I'll give you some example. Like A. What is the sound of A? A says A. A says A. A has 2 sounds. One short sound and one long sound. So, cat. Can you hear the short sound? Cat. At. And father. Father. Here we can hear the long sound of A. One more. E. E. What is the sound of E? E says A. E says elephant. Elegant. E. A. So it also has 2 sounds. Long sound and short sound. Elephant. B. Right? Like that, all the vowels have 2 sounds. One long sound and one short sound. You can ask your mama papa to write the vowels on your fingers. On thumb you have to write A, E, I, O, U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. Like this you can remember all the vowels. What are the vowels? A. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. I am so proud of you. So children, I hope you enjoyed learning the vowels. What are the 5 vowels we have? We have A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. And rest of the letters in the alphabet, they are called consonants. Yes. Let's listen to one more story. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. So one day, A for ant and E for elephant. They both were very good friends. They decided, come, let's have some ice cream. Yes. So I for ice cream. They decided to eat an ice cream. Which flavor ice cream? Orange flavor. Children, do you all love ice cream? I love ice cream. Which flavor? I love orange ice cream. What do you love? So, they decided to have an orange ice cream. And it was very sunny and very hot. So, they sat under the umbrella and enjoyed their orange ice cream. Yes. So, children, one more activity you have. You have to write small A to Z on your 4-line notebook. Can you see? Ma'am has already written A to Z. Like that you have to write on your 4-line notebook. Then you have to circle the vowels and color the consonants. Let's do it. Okay. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels, and rest of the letters, they are called consonants. Let's color the consonants. Like this, you have to color all the consonants. Can you all do this activity at home? Yes? Okay, I hope you had a great time learning vowels and consonants with me. Okay? Stay safe, stay at home, enjoy. Bye.